Most beginner gardeners don't lose plants because they forget to water. They lose plants because they water too often. Following a fixed watering schedule is one of the fastest ways to kill a healthy plant. Many beginners water their plants every day because it feels responsible, but wet soil blocks oxygen from reaching plant roots. So when roots can't breathe, they rot, and the plant is forced to die. More water doesn't mean more growth, it usually means more damage. Plants don't want constant moisture, they want soil that slightly dries out between watering. This allows roots to grow deeper, stronger and healthier. Strong roots mean stronger plants. The reason why schedules fail is because weather changes, soil drains differently, and some plants drink more than others. A fixed watering schedule ignores all of that. That's why it causes so many beginner gardens to fail. Instead of watering on a schedule, you should check the soil. If the top inch feels dry, you should consider watering. If it's still moist, you should wait. This one habit alone saves most beginner gardens. Most beginner mistakes aren't complicated. They come from following rules instead of understanding basics. I put together a simple beginner gardening checklist that covers watering, planting timing, space, and the most common mistakes. It helps you start the right way without overcomplicating things. You can grab the free checklist, it's linked in the description.